Ever wondered what magic tools animators use to bring their creations to life? This is Jack Hard, and today, we're diving headfirst into the vibrant world of animation tools. First up, the classic combo, pen and paper. This dynamic duo has stood the test of time, serving as the bedrock upon which many animation masterpieces are built. From initial concept sketches to detailed storyboards, nothing beats the tactile connection of pen on paper. Next, we step into the digital age with graphic tablets. Offering precision and control, these devices allow you to draw directly onto your computer screen. Brands like Wacom, XP Pen, and Huion offer a range of options, each with their unique features and benefits. Moving on to software. Adobe Animate, Toon Boom Harmony, Blender. These are just a few examples of the animation software buffet available. Each comes with its own set of strengths, and the choice boils down to personal preference and project requirements. For those exploring the three-dimensional realm, rigging tools are pivotal. Software like Blender, Maya, and Cinema 4D provide a platform for animators to bring 3D characters to life, posing them in realistic ways and creating visually stunning scenes. Onion skinning, a technique that allows animators to see multiple frames at once, is a godsend. Whether you're working traditionally or digitally, this tool ensures consistency and fluidity in your animations. Audio, the unsung hero of animation, is managed with tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. These help animators synchronize visuals with sound, creating a more engaging viewer experience. For those pushing the envelope, motion capture technology like the Xsens Suit or Kinect sensor captures real-world movements for integration into animations, creating an unmatched level of realism. In the world of animation, collaboration is key. Platforms like Artella or Nimble Collective enable animators to connect, share ideas, and work together on projects in real time. Finally, for the traditionalists, animation pencils and light tables remain a staple. Used to create hand-drawn masterpieces frame by frame, they lend a timeless charm to the animation process. And there you have it, a peek into the animator's toolbox, revealing the tools that breathe life into their creations. From pen and paper to digital tablets, software galore, rigging tools, onion skinning, audio editing software, motion capture technology, collaboration platforms, and traditional pencils and light tables, each tool has a crucial role to play in the animation process. Remember to subscribe, join the Hard crew, and keep the animation vibes alive. Stay hard, stay creative, and until next time, this is Jack Hard signing off.